I'm Brittany with WTI, and it can be a real challenge cooking in a small kitchen, but it's nothing that a movable kitchen island can't solve.
This is the Glavbiku kitchen island with trash storage. It was so simple to install with the shelves, the counter, the drawers, the trash slot. I have so much more storage, more workspace, and the mobility that I need. And it is such a nice sanctuary from our chaotic kitchen workspace. The drawer fits so much, and the trash slot can hold a 40-quart trash bin. The counter fits our new cutting block so nicely. It can be really hectic here in the morning, so it's nice for me to be able to go in the corner, make my coffee, my shake. It's right next to the outlet, so I can plug anything I need in there. I can stay out of my hubby's way while he's making his food. And once I'm done with everything, I can easily put it away right there in the island. For dinner, I can also roll it out easily in the middle of the kitchen, lock the wheels. There's a slot that allows you to put a set of knives there, which reduces clutter when you're using them. This gives me a great sous chef command center with the convenience of the drawer, the trash, the knife slot. I can easily help my husband with the food prep. And I am still out of the way. Towel rack helps me keep the tools and my space clean and dry. And again, once I'm done, I can just unlock those wheels, roll it back in the corner, and the kitchen is open again.
And it just gives us the needed extra space and mobility to get things done while we're working in the kitchen, both me and my husband. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.